Hello again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm James of jamesreeseonline.com, and this video is about my GrindaBuck review. 3 issues we're going to talk about that I have with this business model. Now, for transparency, I'm not affiliated in any way with GrindaBuck. I'm not a user of their product, and I'm definitely not an affiliate for them. Before we get underway, I ask that you click like on this video and please subscribe to the channel so that as I make videos, they'll be delivered to you. Also, I ask that you please watch this video all the way to the very end so that you can have all the information that I have for you about GrindaBuck. And for staying with me all the way to the end of the video, I do have a free gift to offer you, so make sure you stick around for that. Now, let's get on with the review. So what is GrindaBuck anyway? Well, GrindaBuck is an online rewards club that allows you to earn points that can be redeemed for real rewards by completing simple online tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, things of that nature. Now you can redeem your earnings for gift cards, cash, or even trade it for Bitcoin. And initially, it has a minimum payout threshold of $10. And the idea from GrindaBuck is to sign up, select the activities you want to perform those activities, and then start collecting points and get paid. That sounds great, but I have issues with this method that I do want to share with you. My first issue is that there are many people online who have tried the program and have run into issues either with their account or with receiving a payout as promised. Some have said that sending GrindaBuck a copy of your driver's license is required when you're requesting your first payout. There are many people who don't like to share that information, especially online, and if they had been told up front about this requirement, they wouldn't have even wasted their time getting into the point of their first payout. They would have passed it by and gone to something else. Then there are others who have reported having to wait far beyond the 12-hour payout time frame to receive the reward, and still others who have been told that a payout had been delivered, but they never received it, or that it was sent to a Bitcoin wallet, but they don't even have a Bitcoin wallet set up. It was sent to somebody else. These are just some among numerous negative reports, and if taken at face value, well, it's a big issue to me. My second issue is the low amount of money that you can actually make with GrindaBuck. I can't find any good information on their website about how much you can actually earn from each activity, but reports from users say that a task earns you about 1 cent. And at that earning amount, it's going to take a very long time to make it to a payout threshold. If you're looking for something that will allow you to leave your 9-to-5 job, this isn't it. I think there are much better ways of earning money online. The third issue I have with GrindaBuck is the very poor reviews that the company has overall. And these are even more poor reviews outside of the ones we've already mentioned before. On Trustpilot.com, GrindaBuck has a low score of 2.7 out of 5. Obviously, this is not a great score. And at the time of this recording, only 29% of reviewers gave it 5 stars, and a whopping 57% gave it only 1 star. It's going to be well worth your time to read these reviews before possibly wasting your time with this business. So after what I've seen, this is not something that I would be spending my time on. There are some reviewers that will say it's a scam. I think it's probably not a scam, but with the reports of people having delays or outright not getting paid, the dismal earning potential, and the low rankings and reviews, I would pass on this business model. Please do your own research and reflect on the downsides before committing your time into GrindaBuck. Remember, time is our most precious commodity. Whatever you endeavor to do, make sure it's worth it. Now, I have found an online business model that does appeal to me, and I think it is worth my time and my energy. And that is high-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing has you promoting other people's products for large commissions, some up to $1,000 or more. Unlike GrindaBuck, this is a business model with the potential to let you quit your 9-to-5 job. With high-ticket affiliate marketing, there's no product to create, there's no stock to hold, no staff is needed, and you can do it all from home while still maintaining your full-time job. There are also many free tools to get you started, and you can really do this from anywhere in the world. Because I believe in the potential of high-ticket affiliate marketing for you, I'm offering you the free gift that I've mentioned at the start of the video. I provided you a free cheat sheet that lays out the 3 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Simply click on the link in the pinned comment below, and you'll have access to that free information. This is worth your time, and this is worth your effort. That's my GrindaBuck review. Thanks for watching this video, and I do hope you got something out of it. If you did get anything out of it, if you enjoyed this video at all, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos as I create them. They can be delivered to you. Let me know your thoughts or questions also in the comments below, and make sure you click that link for the free gift, the cheat sheet in the comments below. Let's go out now. Let's do something great.